Repeat that.
It's not working out.
Explain to me why, Darian.
Cause the foundation, I would say, the foundation won't hold up the other sides of the tower that we were going to make.
So, have you consulted with your group members about what you could possibly do to hold it up?
Yes, ma'am. We tried all of our possible outcomes, but it didn't work.
Oh, do you have a backup plan?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Have you started the backup plan?
Yes.
Who's staying after school tomorrow? Today, I'm sorry.
Me and Juanita.
All right. So I look forward to seeing what y'all do, okay? I know y'all can work it out. And make sure to include that in your revisions. Whichever mistakes you made that you wouldn't want anybody else to make, we want you to make sure you write that out. So what's one mistake y'all made in this one that kind of...
For one, we weren't very organized, so the pieces, the majority of the pieces that we needed got crumbled. So when they do the project, they need to be organized with their gingerbread pieces.
Okay. Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome.